everyone, welcome back to a new video for Horilla. So in this video, let's discuss how to manage company policies with Horilla. So company policies are a set of guidelines and rules established by an organization to govern the behavior, actions and decision making of its employees. So these policies serve several purposes including ensuring compliance with laws and regulations, promoting a safe and respectful work environment, protecting company assets and maintaining consistency and fairness in organizational practices. So let's see how we can manage that. So here, under the employees, we have the discipline, we have the policies. So the admin will be able to create the company policies from here. So you go to policies and here we'll be able to view all the current company policies. That is, there is a code of conduct, attendance and punctuality, non-disclosure, use of company property. We have different policies over here and we can view the policy from here. And we can see that we can add anything if you want. That is, if you want to add the file and all, we'll be able to add the file. And to create a new policy, we can click on create over here. So here we have to add a title and then we can provide the body over here and we can enable if it is visible to all or not. And then we can add the companies over here. And if you want to attach any file, we can choose files over here. And we have to save this. Like this, we'll be able to create new policies. So once the admin had created the policies, it will be visible to the employees in their portal so that for reading purposes. So let's go to the employees portal and so this is an employees portal and here we can see that under the employees we have the policies and here we'll be able to view the policy. The employee will be able to view the company policies from here. So they can view it over here and they can read it. So we can say that the employee will not be able to create new policy or anything like that because it is restricted to the admin. So this is how we can manage the company policies with Horilla. Hope it is clear. Thank you for watching.